Ever considered who knows you better, your closest friend or an algorithm? Now that's a question that would have sounded absurd a couple of decades ago. But today, in the age of big data, it's not only possible, it's a reality we live with every day. Big data is everywhere, and it's having a profound impact on our lives in ways we don't even realize. It's this invisible force that's constantly at work, molding our world, shaping our experiences, and even influencing our decisions. Every click, every swipe, every purchase, every post, they're all tiny pieces of a puzzle that, once assembled, forms a picture more detailed than any human could possibly comprehend. And it's this picture that big data uses to predict, to influence, and to guide. Big data, like an invisible hand, guides our decisions, our behaviors, our lives. Imagine a medical professional being able to predict a health condition before it even happens. It's not a page from a science fiction novel, it's the reality of big data in healthcare today. Picture a doctor in the heart of London, grappling with a rare and elusive disease. The symptoms are diverse, the cause a mystery. Enter big data. By analyzing vast amounts of medical records and health data from around the globe, patterns emerge, clues are found. The doctor, armed with this knowledge, can now make a diagnosis, and treatment can begin. This isn't an isolated incident. Every day, in hospitals and clinics worldwide, big data plays a crucial role in predicting disease patterns, diagnosing conditions, and preventing health crises. It's like having a crystal ball, but one powered by data and algorithms rather than magic. In the hands of healthcare professionals, big data becomes a life-saving tool. How can a farmer produce more crops using less water and less land? This isn't a riddle, it's a reality made possible by big data. Picture this: in the heartland of America, a farmer named Tom is revolutionizing his cornfields. Tom's secret? He's turned to big data. By analyzing vast amounts of information about soil conditions, weather patterns, and crop yields, he's able to make highly informed decisions. This means he knows exactly when to plant, when to water, and when to harvest to get the most out of his land. But it doesn't stop there. Big data also helps Tom predict future weather patterns, allowing him to prepare for droughts or floods. With this knowledge, he's able to manage his resources more efficiently, preserving water and reducing waste. So for Tom and countless other farmers around the globe, big data is not just about numbers, it's about feeding nations. Is big data our savior, our overseer, or perhaps both? As we delve deeper into the digital age, this question becomes increasingly pertinent. Big data, with its omnipresent gaze, holds the power to revolutionize our world. It can help doctors diagnose elusive diseases, aid farmers in maximizing their yields, and even prevent cities from plunging into darkness. Yet with great power comes great responsibility. The same data that can improve our lives can also infringe upon our privacy. It can track our every move, predict our actions, and influence our decisions, potentially compromising our autonomy. The ethical implications are vast and complex, straddling the borders between benefit and detriment, between empowerment and control. As we continue to navigate this data-driven landscape, we must confront these ethical dilemmas head-on. As we continue to feed the data beast, we must ask ourselves, who should control this power and to what end?